Kurumjari Mayam, welcome back to my channel. Today, what we are doing, we are just roaming around for what? I forgot. Yeah, so basically, we are roaming around, chilling, taking full फायदा of Saturday. फिर थोड़ा चाय पीने जाएंगे, फिर थोड़ा खाना खाएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा खाएंगे, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा नहीं खाएंगे. तो let's see how it's going to be. मेरे बाल उड़ रहे हैं. सच में उड़ रहे हैं. And while we were roaming around, we saw this street vendor who was selling cute Korean night dress. So we took our time and we were just seeing the collection, what all they have. It was like so cute. Can you see that purple or pinkish one? I really like that one. And then they have a few options, like the collection they have, and it's a quite affordable also, to be honest. Later, we came to this jewelry and a fancy store where they have a cute teddy bears and stuff for both men and women jewelry. And then we were just going through the options available here, like small stud which you can wear for the office or daily wear, and then like fancy jewelry which will be really good for your dates and all. And then just see their options, so many options. They were having jumkas for your ethnic wear. Like, we really like this place and we have purchased few of this things also. So this is the place where we will be exploring, and then later on we will come to this side where we will be drinking our chai. Take it out. It's so hard. Huh? How was it? Good. It is good. And the stuffing is good. Mm. Is this made of maida? But it doesn't look like a maida, right? I had like some really rice pepper. Not something. It's like a little chili. So I'll try this. It's this one. It will be not good. This one. Hey. Should I mix? हाँ mix them. But can I You madam lala. नहीं होता on it. Bring me the check. It's like an alcoholic taste. I can dip this in. Sorry. Oh, why are you? Ano yun? Well, yung habang lumalang. Minsan, ay vlog sa tatay, diba? Sila niya. Isang takat pa yan. Ay, habang lumalang, diba? Kaya ako itakpa doon yan, na mi thằng này thì ngược tàu 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 với sữa. But normally, it has to be spicy, right? It's not spicy at all. But it has to be there. Making the one. I do that. May put cheese. No. We have marinated it. I think so. So this is a wine pizza. This is our pineapple. No, we'll go there. There, बाजू में. Then I'll. Okay, chalo. We'll focus on eating. It's a famous one. You can see it right. Downtown cafe. We'll get here like one of the best Irani chai in Bangkok. What is this? This is Irani chai. This is Irani chai, guys. It's oh, and this is moon biscuit, half moon biscuit. What? How you should it? I'll tell you. Take a biscuit, dip in a chai. Too good. Too good. Too good. That's malai. Pull out. Dip the bun in that malai and eat. Whatever. Let's take it. So this is malai. This is bun. Dip in this. Okay. Huh? One day it's a cheat day to have. But we are not eating a larger quantity, right? We are just taking one portion and sharing it out. Think like in that manner. That's how we motivate ourselves and eat. Oh, wow. And the table is also not stable. Then we have one more special thing, which is a must try. That is bun maska. Can you see that butter is like if this bun maska you try? It look good. Whoever is coming to this downtown cafe, you should try this bun maska and the Irani chai. It's 10 on 10. This is how you should enjoy your Bangalore life. I think so. So, friends, we had our dinner and we had our post dinner chai also. Now we are here for some gossips. Post dinner chai only, right? Because क्या हो गया अभी? We became little older, so we are obsessed with chai. Uh, what are we doing? Some gossips. I'll show you how crowd is this place, like literally. And it's around, what is the time now? 12:25 in midnight, and you should see the place, like it's overcrowded. Can you see this place? Like, can you believe it's 12:30 and then people are still here? Bro, tomorrow is Sunday, no? So tomorrow is Sunday, that's why people are chilling. No, actually, we came that day. That was not weekend also. But you remember? It was already one day. That day we came on Thursday. Not yeah. Thursday, Wednesday. Wednesday. It was loaded with people. See, one space is available. What we are thinking is we'll take the space. We'll sell Singju Bora. We'll start selling our Manipuri snacks. Singju Bora, then Changang. Changang, and then and then what else you guys want? Paknam. Okay, so Singju is basically a kind of a salad with a fish, fermented fish. Fermented fish. Yeah. And then Changang is? Changang is a kind of black tea. It's black tea only. Yeah. It's a black tea, but we'll put some yeah, spices. Spices in the sense like ginger. You should not tell the recipe, bro. Okay. Normal spices. Yeah, and then my mouth. And then bora is basically bhaji or pakoda, different kind of pakoda you'll get which you have never tried. But you'll get a different touch of Northeast in that. Then Paknam is kind of like what do you say? Paknam is basically what? It's like a besan and chives, like Asian chives and like banana flour also we can make with that. And fermented fish we'll put and we'll steam and we'll roast taka taka taka. And then we will steam it in a what? In a pressure cooker.
No, Papa. Not in a pressure cooker. Like, what is that
Okay,
called?
we'll wrap it with a leaf. Oh, what is that? Turmeric leaf.
Turmeric leaf and then banana leaf.
Yeah, but the authentic one is we will be wrapping with a turmeric leaf. The smell of that will be. But I'm so happy that Jinadi is coming in my video finally. Guys, don't. How's my earring, guys? Newly purchased. How many earrings we have purchased? More than 10, I think. More than 10 we have purchased from the jewelry store. It's this girl has an office tomorrow. and we and we still sitting here.
Start from my home at around 7:30. Now it's already almost 12:30.
See where I'll get all these supportive people to just to make my video. They're here with me. Yappa. You hold it because you are in the middle, right? But gossip area, that one is good. Yeah. Should we go there? I don't. This is kind of a new spot, so we'll sit here for some time.
But the thing is, in the like there is one more place in this area where we used to sit and gossip. So there will be lots of people, like couple or friends or whoever it is. Mom, sugar daddy, mummy daddy, something.
Sugar daddy, mummy daddy, mummy daddy.
Sugar mommy. All those will be there. So we will sit and gossip about that. But here the thing is, people are mostly coming for food.
Yeah.
They are not just chilling it. So we are not able to find any gossip here.
Should we move then?
Sad
Should we go
life.
there?
No, we'll sit for some
Are
time. Sleepy.
Are you feeling sleepy?
If you feel sleepy, also don't sleep. But this big fat roll is really good.
What?
We'll come there one more time.
Big fat roll. Yeah. We'll try the loaded. This fries.
But you know what I'm thinking? Like this space, right? It's like small space. How much they'll be paying a rent here? Because it will be very expensive. We'll go. We'll go in another spot.
Huh?
Or home.
No, we'll go and sit there for some time.
And then we will show you where we sit and where we gossip.
Like
It's almost over. Nobody is here. All the shops are closed. Only few people here. Here, we three are here, and then who else are there? That's all I think. Only us, and then some few more people are here. Police came. What if nothing? They will not do anything. Are they going to do anything?
let's see what they are saying. They didn't say anything.
They are just telling.
This is the first warning so that you people can go home or else nothing. Papa, how are you feeling? Will you be able to go for walk tomorrow?
Yeah,
At what time?
I'll wake up at 6:30,
6:30.
and then you'll prepare a lunch for us also. I'll prepare my lunch box, and I have to start from 7:30. If I didn't get a Rapido, I have to start from 7:30.
You are
I
going by
have to reach
auto.
my office around 8:10.
No, Rapido, bhaiya, will come and pick her up. But you are every day going by a Rapido, right? Have you ever get a guy who is like a regular Rapido guy for you?
So sometimes they ask
Like similar guy, But for us, we will get a similar auto wala bhaiya.
yeah, uncles and
Morning one uncle was there who used to come, and then he knows my name like Rajkumari. Rajkumari, he knows my name, and then he will wait for me. He will not give a call also if he reached the spot to pick us. And then he'll be calling Rajkumari ji, मैं पहुंच गया कहते literally he do that. Oh.
Yes.
And then while we are coming back from office, there used to be one bhaiya, like a middle, not middle age, like 30 something bhaiya. Every time he used to come.
Yes.
And then one time he gave us an offer also. Saying offer, don't take it in the wrong manner. Offer in the terms of like anyhow you are going back home from this location only. So I can come regular basis and then you can pay me like monthly wise or something like that, he told. And we don't, no, thank you so much. We don't want that. Sometime we'll be traveling by bus also. Okay? We just make up some story. I did him. So we went away. Yeah, that's all. Okay. What was I was saying? Oh God. Yeah. Wait, let me. That's all for today. We were just about to catch, but we skipped. Yeah. Thagat Cherry Mayam. If you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.